Hey, what's up everybody? So today I'm going to talk about how I'm selling some My Little Pony stuff. I recently went to Goodwill and they just started putting their toys in like pre-made bags. So they have like all their action figures and stuff in a bag already. They used to just have a bin and we could pick out which ones we wanted from the bin and put them in a bag. But now they have these pre-made bags, which are actually better for me because they had like 5 My Little Ponies per bag and they were $3. So I was pretty happy about that. So how I'm listing them, I'm just or how I'm looking them up actually. So I'm just putting in, they're all the Generation 3 ones where they have like the pink plastic piece on one of their feet. So you have to look on the bottom on their feet to see either what year it is or if it has that plastic piece. If it does have that plastic piece, it's going to be a Generation 3, which means it was the 3rd generation that they made. You really want to find the 1st generation, which will have a year on it. Not really sure what year, you'd have to look that up. But how I'm looking up these My Little Ponies are, I'm just typing them into eBay. I'm just so each one has like a symbol on one of their sides. It's like their back leg will have a little symbol on it. So I'll just type in My Little Pony Generation or G3 or Generation 3, and then I'll type in what symbol it was. So one of them had a butterfly on the back leg, so I'll just type in My Little Pony Generation 3 butterfly, and I'll look through all the listings, and then it'll most of the listings will say like the name of the pony, which will help in the search results. You really want to have the name of the pony in the title whenever you're selling them. Another way you can do it if you're not finding it is just type in My Little Pony Generation 3 and then the color of the horse, the color of the pony. So one of them I wasn't finding, so I typed in My Little Pony Generation 3 yellow, and it came up, and it turned out it was exclusive from Target, so that's why I wasn't really finding it, because it's kind of rare, but it still wasn't worth that much. Most of them I'm listing for like $5 to $7 a piece. I just really need the listings. I could list them all together. I wouldn't get as much money, but I had the room for listings, so I might as well list them all individually. It's a little bit more time to list them all. So I have like 10 to list right now. But yeah, that's really it. It's pretty simple about how to find them. So just type in My Little Pony, and if it says year on there, I would type in the year, and then I would type in the symbol that's on there. So that's really it. If you like this video, make sure you like it, and I'll see everybody next time.